All right, I got some big news. I am going to be hosting a week-long painting retreat in Tuscany, Italy this September. It's through a company called Uptrek, which have done a lot of these things and probably with a bunch of artists you already know. So for the retreat, we'll actually be staying in this beautiful private estate in the rolling hills of wine country. And not only will you be able to indulge in the scenery, but also the local cuisine, because we're going to have a private chef there to provide all the meals, which is going to be very convenient because the focus of the retreat is going to be painting the landscape. I want to show you how I go about painting the landscape. That includes getting reference photos. Like, I'll talk about what I look for in taking reference photos. I'll show you how I do compositional sketches, and then how I paint that landscape from the photo back in the studio. I'll even do a couple plein air demos to show how I use what I learned from direct observation in my paintings. I mean, what better place to learn landscape painting than Tuscany? We also have a couple trips scheduled to local areas where we'll be able to gather some really great reference material to bring back and paint in the estate studio. So if you want to come paint with me in Italy, have some great food, and have an unforgettable time, click the link in the description of this video. It's going to have all the details that you need to know. But if you want to go, make sure to sign up soon because there's only 16 spots available. All right, I'm Chris Fornatero, and I will see you in Italy.